Om Namah Shivaya. Let's begin by listening to 3 sounds of the bell. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bunatu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvina Varitamastu Ma Vidvishabhahi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namah Shivaya. So let's begin with the asana practice. Let's stand on top of the mat. So standing on top of the mat, we're going to keep the feet together, palms facing front. Inhale, exhale, prayer position. Inhale, reaching the arms up, expanding the chest towards the sky. And as we exhale, lengthen and slowly fold forward. Hands beside your feet, fingertips in on your toes, and forehead towards your knees. Inhale, right leg back, knees down, relax the back foot, chin forward, stretch the front thigh. Tuck your toes, other leg back, retain your breath in plank, one straight line. As we exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, heels touching, glide forward into cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes, draw the hips up. Keep the head between the arms, weight on your fingertips. Inhale, right foot forward between your palms, 1 step or 2 steps. And exhale, tuck the back toes and bring the back leg forward. Weight on your toes, forehead towards your knees or chin. Inhale, reaching far, expanding the chest. Stretch your upper back. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And exhale, release your hands. Inhale, exhale, prayer position. Inhale, lengthen, expand the chest, stretch your upper back. Exhale, lengthen, fold forward, bend your knees if you need to, hands beside your feet. Inhale, left leg back, knees down, relax the back foot, chin forward or up. Build the stretch. Tuck your toes, other leg back, retain your breath in one straight line, plank. As we exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down, keep the elbows close to your body. Inhale, glide forward into cobra, stretching the upper back. And exhale, draw the hips up in inverted V, lengthening the back part of the body. Inhale, left foot forward, relax the right knee and toes, stretching the right front thigh. And as we exhale, tuck the back toes, bring the foot forward, standing forward bend, weight on our toes. Now inhale, reaching far, coming all the way up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And exhale, release the hands and relax. Last round. Inhale, exhale, prayer position. Inhale, lengthen, expand the chest. Exhale, lengthen all the way down. Keep the weight on your toes, hands beside your feet. Inhale, right leg back, knees down, relax your toes, hips forward, chin forward or up. Tuck your toes, retain your breath, one straight line in plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down. Keep your elbows close to you. Inhale, roll the shoulders back into cobra. Exhale into inverted V. Keep the feet together. Don't worry if the heels not touching. Keep stretching the back leg. Inhale, right foot forward between the palms. Stretch your left thigh, left hip flexor. And exhale, tuck your toes, other leg forward. Weight on your toes, draw the hips up, feel the stretch. Inhale, reaching far, expanding the chest towards the sky, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release your arms. Last one, inhale here. Exhale, prayer position. Inhale, lengthen, hands beside the ears. Try not to push your hips forward. Expanding the chest, feel the stretch in the upper back. Exhale, lengthen, fold forward, weight on your toes. Do not push your hips back. Breathing. Inhale, left leg back, knees down, relax the back toes. Chin forward or up, feel the stretch. Tuck your toes, other leg back, retain your breath, one straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down. Inhale into cobra, expanding the chest. Feel the stretch in the upper back. Keep the elbows bent. Exhale into inverted V. Lengthening the back. Tailbone away from crown. Breathing. Inhale, left foot forward. Relax the right knee, back toes. And exhale, tuck your toes. Back leg forward. Standing forward, bend, weight on your toes. Now inhale, reaching far up and coming all the way up, expanding the chest. And exhale, release the hands and relax. So let's stand with our feet apart, rest in mountain pose, and just feel the benefit of this Surya Namaskar, warming up the body, breathing. Breathing, breathing. Slowly sit down and we lie down on the yoga mat. Feet apart. Allow the feet to fall away from each other. Palms apart. Palms facing up. Fingers half closed. Relax in corpse pose, Savasana. Taking a few deep breaths. As we exhale, release all the tension in the body. Om. Slowly bring our feet together, arms up over our head, interlock your fingers, stretch through your palms, your heels, and as we exhale, release the hands. Let's prepare for bridge pose. Bend your knees, knees and feet hip distance apart. Your fingertips touching your heels. Inhale, lift your hips up. Lift your chest up without separating your knees. Interlock your fingers and move your hands away from your shoulder blades. Feel the stretch in your chest, your shoulders. And as we exhale, slowly palms release and release the hips down. Gently bring your knees towards your chest. Counter stretch. Breathe deeply into your lower back. As we exhale, let go of all tension. Gently release the legs, feet apart, palms apart, palms facing up, fingers half closed, and continue to bring our mind back to our breath. As we inhale, abdomen up. As we exhale, abdomen sinking. Feet together, arms up, interlock your fingers, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release your hands. Now bend your knees, roll to one side. Let's prepare for the seated posture. Baddha Paschimottanasana. So feet together first. Point your toes up. And then slowly bend your right knee. Keep the right foot close to your left inner thigh. Reach your arms up towards the sky. Inhale, exhale, lengthen and reach forward. Place the hands on the mat. If you're comfortable, can have your hands around the left sole. And breathe deeply into your lower back. For those of you who are comfortable, bring your abdomen closer to your left thigh. Do not force. Find the balance of relaxing and putting in a little effort. Inhale, reaching up, lengthening. And exhale, release the hands. Slowly release the right leg. Adjust your sitting. Bend your left knee. Keep the left foot close to your right inner thigh. Reaching your arms up towards the sky as we exhale, reach forward. Hands on the mat, or you can reach forward, release the elbows down, hands around the right foot. Just go at your own pace. Feel the stretch on the back. Make sure the shoulders not lopsided. Keep the shoulders balanced. Keep the shoulders square. And breathe deeply into your lower back. Release all the tension in the back of the thighs. Breathing. Breathing. Reaching far, coming all the way up, sitting tall. And exhale, release your hands. Hands shoulder width apart. Prepare for the counter stretch. Adjust your sitting. Softly point your toes. Point the fingertips back. Inhale, lift your hips up, chest up. Gently look back, expanding the chest into the sky. And as we exhale, look forward, coming back down. Next, let's slowly come up on our knees. Prepare for Ustrasana, camel pose, back bend. So we're going to do the modified version. So tuck your toes, stand tall, your knees hip distance apart. Roll your shoulders back, hands behind your lower back, thumbs around your waist. Bring the elbows closer, shift the hips forward. Inhale, chest up and face up. Just shine your chest and face up towards the sky, expanding your chest. So your hips forward, do not sink down, and chest reaching up. And breathe deeply, taking all the prana in an inhalation. Exhale, release all the tension. Inhale, coming back up. Slowly go into the child's pose. Bring the knees together, feet together, round the back gently. Sit bone on your heels. Allow the head Okay, to rest on the mat, hands beside your feet, and release your elbows into the mat. Take a deep breath into your mid and lower back. Counter stretch. Relax your neck and shoulders, relax your hips, and continue to stretch your mid and lower back. Breathing. Slowly come up, and we slowly come up to a standing position. Roll up slowly. Let's practice warrior number 3. Standing here, feet together, and then bring the right foot forward and left foot back, hip square, left foot 45 degrees, pointing upwards. Bend your knee, hands in prayer position, hinge forward. Find your balance. Extend your arms. Only if you feel comfortable, you float the leg up. If not, keep the left foot down. If you can float the leg up, maintain a straight line from your heel to your fingertips, keeping your right knee slightly bent to prevent hyperextension of your knees. Slowly bend the front knee, lower the back foot down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, prayer position. Straighten the knee, relax the arms, and slowly come back to first position. And now we change side, left foot in front and right foot back, right foot 45 degrees, pointing outwards. Hinge forward, front knee bend, hands in prayer position. Reach your arms up beside your ears, shift the weight forward. Stay here, only if you're comfortable. You can float the back leg up. So make sure you do not twist your hips. Stretch through your right heel, fingertips reaching forward, forming a straight line. And inhale here. Exhale, slowly bend the front knee, lower the back leg down, lift the chest up, reach the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, prayer position. And relax the arms, the legs, and slowly come back to center. Breathing, breathing. Last posture for today. Let's practice Trikonasana, triangle pose, standing with our feet apart wider than our shoulders. Slowly turn your right toe out, arms up to shoulder level. And from here we're going to shift the weight to the right side, lower the right hand down, reach the left hand up, open up the chest, and slowly bring your top arm over your head. And feel the opening of the left side of the body shining up towards the sky. Ground your feet down, do not collapse your head, energize your neck. Inhale, reaching the top arm up, coming all the way up, standing tall. Exhale, release your hands, parallel feet. Turn the left toe out, arms up to shoulder level. Shift the weight more to your left. Lower the hands down and reach your right arm up. And slowly bring it over your head. Feel the opening of the right side of the body. Feel the stretch. Continue to ground your feet down as you shine the side of the body up. Now inhale, coming up. Exhale, release the hands. Slowly bring the other leg forward. And let's come back to the top of the mat. Slowly sit down on the mat and we slowly lie down in Savasana. Feet apart, palms apart, palms facing up, fingers half closed. Adjust your head and neck. Make sure you're very comfortable in the corpse pose, Savasana. We're just going to bring our mind back to the body, bring the mind back to our breath, and try to take 7 deep breaths. Just be mindful of each inhalation and exhalation. Be away from our thoughts and just enjoy each in-breath and out-breath. As we exhale, allow the body to sink deeper into the mat. Relax our facial muscles and relax our body completely. Gently bring your feet together and arms up overhead and stretch through your hands, your heels. Slowly bring your knees towards your chest and breathe deeply into your lower back, releasing any tension in the lower back. Gently roll to the right side. Rest your head on the right arm. Relax your knees. Now slowly push yourself off the mat and slowly come up to a seated position. So cross our legs comfortably, hands in chin mudra, eyes closed. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Bolo Satguru Maharaja Ki Jai. May this peace be with you for the rest of the day. Om Tat Sat. I hope that you enjoy today's practice with me. It is a short practice. If you like a longer practice, you can visit my channel. Om Namah Shivaya. Before you leave today, I'd like to share with you a quote by Swami Shivananda. And for those of you who might still feel lots of tightness in the body, I'd like to encourage you to download my free daily yoga stretch. Until the next time, have a good day.